What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So Wi-Fi is very important, especially right now with COVID-19 and everybody kind of working from home. And one of the issues that I have in my studio is that I only have one router and it's way in the other room. So I have Wi-Fi issues in this particular office or my studio right here. So TaoTronics have sent me out their whole home mesh Wi-Fi system for review. This is the AC3000 Tri-Band Mesh Router, and it's a 2-in-1 combo. So we're gonna go over it and see what it's all about. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So TaoTronics have sent me out their whole home mesh system. Let's go on and go over the tech specs. It's a tri-band network system here, which consists of a 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, and a 5.8 gigahertz band, right? The Wi-Fi speeds is up to 3 gigabits per second. We have 802.11bgn, 2.4 gigahertz, and 802.11 ACNA 500 gigahertz and 5.8 gigahertz, right? So in the box right here, it comes with 2 nodes, and let's go on and open it up and see what we got. All right, so nice presentation. Let's get this out of the box. So let's go on and turn it in the back here, and let's look at some of the functionality here. So you got 3 Ethernet ports, also with a WAN port. You got the USB 3.0 right here. You got your 12 volt DC power, and you got your off and on button, and you have a reset button right here. You have nice little legs at the bottom. All right, so when you stand them up, they looks really neat here. All right, so you got a light here that comes on with the product. Here's how this works, guys. Really easy, really quick and simple. You take one node and you bring it to your modem, and you plug your modem to the you plug Ethernet from the modem to the node using this WAN port right here. So this port right here goes to your modem, and this is going to act as your router, and both of these go sync together. So right now I got spotty services in here, and it would be nice to have a node in this studio right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this part up right quick to my modem, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna go over the app and we're gonna set it all up. All right, so I got the TT Router app downloaded on my phone, and I'm going through the steps. Now I've already connected the first node to my modem in my living room. So now I'm back in the studio and I do not have the second node plugged in. I'm going through the app to make sure that it's configured right. The steps look like it's really easy so far. So I'm just going through, clicking it off right now that it detected the first node, and I'm just going here, and now it says, congratulations, your router has successfully connected to the internet. So right now, the first node is connected to the modem, and now I'm going through the apps, and the app is so easy, so simple, and I'm just going through pretty much everything here. Now it's asking me to give the Wi-Fi name and the Wi-Fi password. So let me go ahead and give it a name and give it a password so I can move forward. And this is important. All right, so I gave it a name and a password. Now it's going into creating the network, the Wi-Fi network. So it's telling me, please wait. These steps is the prelims that you got to do to get your Wi-Fi mesh network up and running. So right now it's doing it, and boom, it has got my network up and running, and I'm good to go here. So I'm connecting to the network, and it's searching for the network, and boom, it has found my network, and I'm going to connect to my network. Now it's asking me for the password again. So let me go ahead and put the password in, and I want to connect to the network, and it's obtaining the IP address, and now I'm connected. Really easy. That's what I'm talking about. This is connected. So I'm connected to my Wi-Fi. App is nice nicely, beautifully designed, right? And it's telling me I got the Galaxy Z Fold that's connected to Wi-Fi on my 5 gigahertz network. Now you can connect up to 200 devices per node, right? So that is really, really nice that per node you can connect up. And I'm getting, oh, wow, 5 bars here, which I could not do that with my old router. So before I connect the new node up, I want to run speed tests for S's and giggles to see how it is, because usually when I run speed tests, I usually get about 150 megs. All right, so it's going to be pretty interesting to run speed tests here and go from there. Let me go and run speed tests and see what it's all about. Okay, so I'm getting, wow, I'm getting really good speeds, not even connecting the node. I'm getting about 460 megs, right? And I'm getting about 17 megs down, which is really good right now, because I not even connecting the first node. I was getting about 100 megs, but I was getting very spotty service in this room. So that is good so far. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect the second node up, and we're going to talk about it, and I'm going to show you guys the pretty lights, and we're going to go over the app a little more. So right now I have 2 network routers connected, right? And I'm on, and the only device that's connected to my Wi-Fi network right now is my Galaxy Z Fold 2, which is this device right here. So as you can see, it's telling me my up and down right now. Then I have, and it's telling me I'm all connected to the internet, right? And there's no new firmware notifications right now. So I'm good. I got both the routers connected. And when I go to my settings, this is what you do, all your settings right here, right? You got your Wi-Fi settings and network settings right here. So if you want to look at it and see that it's on the DHCP, your network settings, and then you can add a guest network. If you want to, you can name it, you can enable it, and you can add a guest network and stuff like that. Now you remember, this is a tri-band network. You got 2.4, 5 gigahertz and 5.8 gigahertz. Out of the box, look like it puts you on the 5 gigahertz network. So out of the box, the 2.4 gigahertz network is turned off. Now the color here at the top is blue, and it's blue on the other one in the front. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, you might can change. Okay, so yes, you can change the LED. All right. So system settings right here. Okay, system settings. You could do firmware upgrade. You could change the LED. Let's see, studio living room. Let's go a bit 10. Let's see if I can turn it off. Okay, so yes, you can turn it off, but I would keep mine on. Okay, all right, so the light come back on. Okay, so yes, you can turn your LED off and on, which is nice. All right, so you have the TT Router Labs for file server. Again, you have file server support on here. You got DDNS on here. You have let's see, wireless whitelist. So you have that on here also in your settings. So a lot of stuff you could do, and then permissions, which is really nice. So you can set permissions and everything in between. So you have a plethora of settings for this mesh system to make sure that you can run it at optimal settings to get everything you need here. So there it is. I'm excited for this one. Right now I've been getting really good performance. Obviously I'm close to the node right here, but even when I ran speed tests on the other node in my living room, I was getting really good speeds. So I could take this node and I could probably put it further down in the home, and I could still get really good coverage. So anytime you have dead zones in your home, these Wi-Fi mesh networks are very important. Especially if you got a big home, upstairs, downstairs, or something like that. You want to have these here in the home. So I want to give a huge thanks to TaoTronics for sending this product out for review. I'm gonna do a follow-up video to see how it performs in about a month, a couple of weeks, and check back with you guys and let y'all guys know if the performance of this product go up or down. I will leave all product links down in the description below. You can pick this up on Amazon, a little over 230 bucks, which is really cheap for a Wi-Fi mesh network system. But you do have options of 1 node, 2 nodes, and 3 nodes. I will leave the product links down in the description below if you want to check it out. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the TaoTronics Wi-Fi mesh system in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.